Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Splice weekly constituents. Then here in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you search about Splice and you click. In this page of app info you click on first stop and you click OK. Here in this page you click on storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.